Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to schedule a Texas DPS Learner's Permit appointment. I'll leave the link in the description below. First, choose your language and then we'll go with English for this video. Now, fill in your information, Texas driver license or ID card number. Input your first and last name, date of birth, last four digits of your social security number, and once everything is filled out, tap Log On. This will take you to the main page. Tap New Appointment. Next, choose your service under Driver's License Services, and then select Apply for First Time Texas DL Permit. Now enter your contact information, phone number, and email address. And on the right side, make sure day of the week is set to any day. Then under Step 2, type in the zip code or city where you want to make your appointment. And once that's done, tap Next. And then you'll now see a list of locations with available appointments. Pick one that works for you, scroll down and select the date that you want, and then tap Next again. Now choose the time that works best for you and tap Next. You'll get a 5-minute timer to confirm your appointment. Double check all your information, scroll down and read the instructions, and then if everything is set, tap Confirm. And then you'll get a confirmation email and a text message. And that's it. That's how you schedule your Texas DPS Learner's Permit appointment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.